YouTube, how we doing? Well, you know, seasons are changing, people are going camping again and getting out and getting around the wild. So we found something pretty interesting from UCO to bring to the channel. I wonder what it is. Can you figure it out? Need another hint? So stay tuned after we roll that intro. I'm going to show you exactly what was in that box. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel and you long-time guys who have yet to do it, man, look down below. There's going to be a little channel watermark popping up. Hover over that thing or click on it. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. Knock it out the way early and you ain't got to worry about it for the rest of the day. And I guarantee you, you'll make this poor YouTuber smile. Alright, as you saw by that opening and, you know, that also subtle hint, we're going to take a look at the UCO Mess Kit. Right? Pretty simple, pretty easy. It's only like a 4-piece kit. Okay? Now, a little bit ago, we brought some stuff from UCO to the channel. I believe it was one of their, like, reversible sporks or whatever. Look up top. I'm going to leave a card up there for every single piece of gear review we've done so far. You will find it in there. Now, UCO, I like, they're basically designed and made in Seattle. Not made, excuse me. They've been in Seattle, Washington since basically 1971, and that's where this was designed, but it was made in China. You can find them at ucogear.com. Now, I got conflicting information on dimensions and weight, all that other fun stuff. Over on Amazon, this guy is listed as 8x8x3, and on UCO's website, it's 6.7 by 6.7 by 2.2. On Amazon, it's 8.6 ounces, and on UCO, it's a flat 8. So they're kind of right around the same thing. It's still compact, still lightweight enough that for like you ultralight backpackers and some of you other guys, it'll fit in your pack, no problem. It's dishwasher safe, FDA food safe, BPA free, phthalate, whatever the heck that is, free. And like I said, now it's 4-piece. It's got a bowl, excuse me, bowl, plate, tether, and your combo spork, I should say, spoon and fork. Now, what I really truly liked, it's really easy to open up. You just pull it up and over. Crap, sorry. Pull that out. And basically, yeah, I know. You got to pull the little adult-oriented toy-looking thing out the side so you can get rid of the tether. And then it just opens up. Now here's your plate, all right, and it has like the little rubberized things around the bottom, just like it does with the bowl. There is a like silicone gasket or something in here that helps like lock that stuff in and keep it like airtight. Pretty easy, especially when they go together. You have that weird little carrying handle if you're trying to move somewhere. Now, I'm going to say it like this. Don't cook on this thing whatsoever. It's great to eat out of. It's not going to do well on an open flame. Period. Now, the spoon is really, really simple. I mean, how hard can this be? There's your spoon. There's your fork. And if you can see right there, I believe it is. Yeah, right there. There's a serrated edge to help you cut things. Now, this is made from durable glass reinforced nylon. The bowl and the plate are made from a polypropylene and TPE type material. It's really simple, really easy, goes back together, you know, no problem. You just kind of thread that back in the hole. Basically, you're going to go under and over. So let me do that. Yeah, I know, you're looking at the top of my head, sorry. And what I like is the way this thing is molded, it should sit flat, exactly like that. And you just pull it out, wrap it around the top, And there you go. Now you have it back in its little easily storable condition. Pretty simple, huh? I mean, I haven't really gotten it out and beat the crap out of it yet. I've run it through the dishwasher about 32 times. No problems on it whatsoever. It's kept its shape. Nothing's picked up a warp. Nothing felt like it was... You know how like when you throw a Cool Whip container through too much and you can just kind of crush the plastic in your hand because it's that slimy and just easily... Yeah, not this guy. It really maintains its shape. No problem. They make these in about 4 different colors, and you're going to have to go look on their websites or find it in your local Walmart like I did, because the colors vary, and some of them are like, really? But still. Now, on Amazon, it's going to run you $14.99 with different colors. UCOgear.com, $14.99 with different colors. In Walmart, I believe I paid $15. You know, I think that's what it was. Over on Amazon, it's been reviewed 23 times, and it's got an overall positive rating of 4.3 stars out of 5. It's simple, it's easy, it's a no fuss, no mess kind of, you know, mess kit. But with that being said, I want to know what you guys think. I mean, there's not a lot I can show you with this thing other than, okay, let me put in some soup and go, tastes good. It's a cool kit. It really, truly is. But I want to know questions, comments, love, anger, hatred, whatever, down below in the comment section. Especially if you guys have used this kit before. I'd like to know your take on it because I'm absolutely loving it. And I already got one for my kids' packs. So they're happy as crap. Because of this, I replaced one I got from Battle Box. I think it was like a Waldo Campo pack or something like that. It was like a little plastic mess kit. I replaced it with this. It's a good fit. But let's get on to that wonderful little wrap-up. Alrighty, guys. So if you're a first-time viewer of my channel, I want to thank you so much for watching this weird one. I know, it's a plastic mess kit. Not a lot you can say about it. I'm trying to make it as funny as possible. I don't know if I did good or not, but hey. I also want to thank you for giving me your time. I know your time is your greatest commodity, and I hope I earned it today. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel and you long-time viewers of the channel, I want to thank you so much. Back up again. I did it back-to-back videos. My God. Excuse me. Sorry, guys. I'm tired and I'm block filming again today. Total brain cramp. So we're going to back this up. Just imagine the tape going beep, 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 beep. For you first-time viewers of the channel and you long-time viewers of the channel who did not do it at the beginning of the video, here is your second chance at redemption, because we here on the channel believe in second chances. Look down below. Should be in that corner right there. Going to be a big old channel symbol popping up. Man, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and clicked on subscribe, please go ahead and beat up its little brother, the bell icon. Why? Great question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time that this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up on that side of the screen. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they're going to think are a good viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My very quick look at the UCO Mess Kit. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day today.